Welcome back to Blue Collar Builds. Today we're going to replace the alternator on this old Chevy pickup. Let's get started. Alright, let's got the new alternator here. Let's cut off all these. I don't know what it is. Oh, I don't need to cut that off. Got a zip tie on it. Wire tie. So I went to the doctor the other day. Had a knee hurting. Doctor said, "Really, I hate to tell you this, but it's old age." I said, "Doc, you're full of shit." He said, "What are you talking about?" I said, "My other knee's just as old and it doesn't hurt." I'm going to disconnect the positive battery cable here. Look what I found right here. Look at that. I don't know if y'all can see that or not. Let me see if I can zoom in on it. A couple of bad spots right here. So let's see if we can't get those fixed.
Concrete dreams where the neon glows. Every block tells a tale the whole city knows. Rhythms in the shadows where the cold wind blows. Life's a gamble on these streets, anything goes. Boom bap echoes through the alleys at night. Soulful samples lift the darkness to light. Deep kicks pound like a heartbeat fight. These gritty vibes keep my story in sight.
I don't know if y'all can see this or not. Probably not. 13.9. That's what it's reading. 13.9. So we're charging. Well, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And I hope you enjoyed it. We'll talk to you next time. Bye.